This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Wallpaper Engine through Steam and launching it immediately. Once running, pick the monitor you want to use and confirm resolution and refresh rate to avoid scaling issues. Make sure GPU acceleration is enabled in settings and update your graphics drivers before importing wallpapers. This reduces stutter and crashes. You'll also grant permissions for Steam overlays and file access so packs and web wallpapers load correctly. Now proceed to browse or import content. Don't skip driver checks. You import a wallpaper file or subscribe to a workshop item, then wait for assets to download. Once the wallpaper appears, open properties to set playback options like FPS cap, audio reactive sensitivity, and whether to pause on full-screen apps. Use the inspector to edit layers, add custom effects, or swap media sources. This is where you optimize visuals versus performance. Make sure to apply a performance preset or create one for battery and CPU limits. When satisfied, save the profile and test it in normal use. You finalize by saving your wallpaper profile and choosing startup behavior so it loads with Windows. Assign different wallpapers per monitor if needed, and test with a game or video to confirm pause on full screen works. If something goes wrong, first check for overlay conflicts like Discord or GeForce Experience and disable them temporarily, then reset Wallpaper Engine settings or clear cache. If problems persist, reinstall the specific wallpaper package or the app. This sequence gets you stable visuals quickly and avoids common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.